Action.
These are rivet nuts. They're going in to these holes. They're going to end up like this, so that I can use those for my building platform. So this is my homemade tool. So I don't have to spend the money on a big one. Just pound those in. And then I crank it down.
And where did you find this great hack?
Oh, probably YouTube.
YouTube is the best.
And that back wrench is just acting as a buffer to hold the rib nut from spinning.
And voila.
Crank that out and it's ready to go.
So you're putting those little doohickeys all along there.
Yeah, so I can use these wherever I need them. I'm going to end up putting a wooden board across there for support. I've already got some over here. And I'll end up putting them up top. You know,
Okay.
wherever there's holes. Maybe I'll even try to put some up here. I don't know if they fit though.
All right. Thank you, dear.